welcome back to Technical Tuesdays. Today's step is going to be outside closed mohawk. This one's a tricky one, mostly a step the ladies have to do, but guys, you should know it too. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get all of our freshest content, and we're going to get cracking. I love to use imagery when I'm teaching, but observation angles can also affect how a student learns. So we're going to start by watching this much requested step from 3 different angles. The first observation angle is rarely seen if we're learning a dance by following. The second observation angle gives us a clear view of the placement of the feet before the turn. The third and final observation angle gives us a clear view of the direction of our free leg as it exits the floor. After striking onto the outside edge, the free foot is placed with the tip of the toe just behind the skating foot. We then prepare to rotate. Maintaining the connected shape of the feet, we pivot and eject the entry foot. The pivot moment is brief, but if we play with the video, we can see it occurring. Let me draw your attention to the journey of the entry foot and how it leaves the floor, almost like a broom sweeping the dust away. Now let's focus on the right foot. The pivot action allows it to cut in and take over the circle direction originally set by the entry foot. Now that we have observed the details of the feet that make an outside closed mohawk work, let's learn some exercises to help us with those important shapes and actions, and we'll begin to introduce vital upper body actions along the way. We're going to start facing the barrier and rest our hands on it a natural reach apart, and then tee our feet ready to simulate our push. Then we bring the free foot to the shy toe placement, which forms an L or right angle. Really be clear, it's just the very end of the toe that's hiding. Let's check in with our standing foot. Is it still gently pressing to the outside edge with the little toe side down? If yes, then we're ready to pivot. Keeping the relative position of your feet with your toe and heel in contact, gently twist to pivot the lower body and introduce the right foot to backwards. With our hands still resting on the barrier, we should feel a twist, also known as a check, at the waist. Any tightness or tension through the spine can throw our shoulders up and out of alignment, causing problems for our exit glide. Remember, this is a compound move, and just like baking a cake, if any of your ingredients are missing or added at the wrong time, you may not get the results you were aiming for. Mindful practice is key to improvement. Working with your coach and with video can help identify areas that your movements may be differing from the correct path. We hope you've enjoyed part 1, the foundations of the outside closed mohawk. Remember to hit those like and subscribe buttons to get part 2, control in motion. Or even better, leave us some of your questions about this move in the comments section, and we'll include them in the next installment. See you soon.